Yes, sir.
And did you see a cell phone in the interior of the vehicle, maybe near the shifter or near the center console?
Yes, sir.
And was the cell phone open?
Yes, sir.
And was it running?
Yes, sir.
Was it running on an app?
Yes, sir.
Was that the Maps app?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your Honor, we would tender States 64 and States 143 for admission into evidence.
Any objection?
No objection.
Okay, Mr. Sonardi?
No objection, Your Honor.
Mr. Wise?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Petridis? Okay, they'll be admitted.
Officer, does that appear to be an image from video recorded by your body-worn camera that morning?
Yes, sir.
And I'm going to go ahead and publish this, Your Honor. And is that one of the officers in front of you?
Yes, sir.
Are you entering the hotel at this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so when you were in, after you had entered the hotel parking lot and before you stopped the car, it appeared in the camera or view of the camera that you were doing something with your radio.
Yes, sir.
What were you doing with the radio?
I was trying to give out to the officers on scene that the car was parking up. Unfortunately, my battery was dead, so nothing was transmitted.
Your Honor, we're going to publish 143, States 143.
Okay.
Officer, does that appear to be a video recording from a camera mounted on the hotel
Yes, sir.
of the same incident?
Yes, sir.
Same date and time?
Yes, sir.
Did it appear to you that Mr. Murphy may have started to put his hand up and then turned and ran?
Honestly, I was possibly, but he just escalated so quickly that I was more focused on whether a gun was going to be produced or anything like that.
So we saw another officer pull up not too long.
Yes, sir.
That would have been after you pursued on foot.
Yes, sir.
At some point after Mr. Murphy was taken into custody, did you ask him what his name was?
Yes, sir.
What was his response?
He said no, and then when I asked for his name again, he said, "You already knew my name."
You already know my name. Okay. Did Lieutenant Cheek, after Mr. Murphy was taken into custody, did he contact law enforcement here at the Tampa Police Department to notify the agency down here that he had been detained, taken into custody?
If I believe so, yes.
After Mr. Murphy was taken into custody, at some point later in the morning, did you respond to a location inside of the hotel?
Yes, sir.
And were there day shift officers on scene at that point?
Yes, sir.
And were they staged around one of the hotel room doors?
Yes, sir.
And did you assist them in making contact with someone in that room?
Yes, sir.
And at some point, did a young woman come out of the room?
Yes, sir.
And was she later identified as Charmaine Steiger?
Yes, sir.
And was she later escorted to a patrol vehicle in the parking lot of the hotel?
Yes, sir.
May I have one moment, Your Honor?
Yes.
I'll tender the witness, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Gonzalez?
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, can I use the assistance of Mr. Lane with regard to the video?
Assistance of who?
Mr.
Yes,
Lane?
yes,
that's
of
what-
course. And are you going to be using the exhibits?
Judge, I am going to be using Exhibit 64. Can we approach briefly?
Yeah. So, the exhibits, once they've been admitted. Come on up.